Improving literacy instruction is a challenge in the educational sphere that has been thoroughly addressed by a wonderful technology tool called CommonLit. This tool provides free fiction and nonfiction literacy resources, curriculum, and assessment materials for secondary English and language arts. Importantly, these resources cover such a variety of topics that it can be beneficially used in other subject areas as well. After making a free account, teachers can easily set up classes and add students using unique class codes. Teachers can start to make assignments by going to the Assignments tab and selecting Add Assignment. Here, teachers can choose to browse the library to find resources that best fit their needs. The left side of this page allows teachers to search for specific works or to filter the collections by grade, theme, genre, literary device, and standard. After finding a text, teachers can assign it to be completed by a certain due date to their classes. When students go to complete the assignment, teachers can enable guided reading mode, which prompts students with comprehension questions as they read. These questions are not included in their final scores and allow for multiple attempts. Above this is also an accessibility toolbar, which empowers students to have the text read aloud or translated, and gives them a highlighting tool as well. In a way, this allows students to self-modify the assignment based on personal preference. Part of the assignment includes multiple choice assessment questions that directly correlate with selected standards. This is followed by a short answer discussion question that allows for deeper thinking and in some cases student reflection. As soon as students submit assignments, teachers can access their performances data in the Assignments tab where they can grade and give feedback to students. To make an assignment for my Hypothetical English 10 class, I selected a text that has assessments that address my standard, which is cite strong and thorough textual evidence to support analysis of what the text says explicitly, as well as inferences drawn from the text. Through the embedded assessments, my objective that students will interpret text implicit and explicit information to develop the author's main idea is clearly met in the multiple choice questions. One of my other objectives states that students will be able to justify authors' beliefs and assumptions using specific textual evidence, which is achieved through the discussion questions. As teachers grade the discussion portion, they can provide feedback to help students understand their scores and improve their skills. After grading, teachers can view data reports to identify skills to review and students that may need additional support. After the completion of multiple assignments, data can be reviewed cumulatively by course, class, or student to track progress. This tech tool can not only be used to create standards-based activities, but also assessments to work through objectives that teachers create. These data reports features are valuable as teachers can easily view student progress through different lenses. Overall, the accessibility and adaptability of this learning tool make it beneficial to the classroom environment. It enhances the learning and assessment experience to allow feedback for both the students and the teacher. This then informs the consequent stages of learning to improve it as a whole.